We're on the pound New Zealand on the 240, and what we have is a wedge pattern. We can see this clearer on the 60. I'm just going to remove the orders. Like a lot of the currency pairs today, we are consolidating. We've just seen a little bit of movement. This is a wedge pattern for me because this test here does not retest the closes of the candles, and this test here does not retest the closes of the candles. A clear sign here that we are wedging. The problem for me is that we have such a very large wick here. My targets are always a 127 extension, and that 127 extension in this scenario is just so far away. I'm just not happy going for those targets. So I'm going to be more conservative, and I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to put a structure level on. I'm going to go back to the dailies and I'm going to put a structure level on right here, and just look at all the number of tests that we've got here on the daily. Let's go and check out the 240. Exactly the same there on the 240 as well. So if I'll leave that structure level on there for a moment, and one thing I am paying attention to is the 9500 psychological number, which is just there. Let's go to the 15. Okay, here on the 15, we are really wedging now very tightly here, and look at this candle right here. This is a rejection candle, and it has also occurred at the 9400 psychological number, giving me more support at this zone, hopefully ready for the breakout. So it does mean that for a trade this size, then I only need my stop just below this second test just here, because I do have the psychological number. It is a larger trade and not on the lower time frames. There's around 60 odd pips of risk on this trade. Let's have a look. 62 targets, playing conservative for 82. It is Tuesday the 23rd, and we're back for an update on this trade, and things have been pretty up and down as a result of Easter. But here we are now, and we're starting to see things moving in the right direction. So I just want to run through what's actually happened. We are here on the 60, and what we did is we came down for these retests right down at this 9400 psychological number, and then we broke above it just here. And as we broke above it, this gave me a very nice structure level just here to get stops behind and reduce down the risk, which is exactly what I've done. I've got a full ATR below the low, and that put me 15 pips below that psychological number. And again, because of the bank holiday, we were up and down. We came back down, right down for another test to this level, and the way things are looking right now, it does look as though this could be the move that will go up and hit those potential targets. So the risk got reduced here to 29 pips, and our reward, we're still looking at taking 82 pips, 5 pips before that psychological number 9500. And we're back for the last update of this trade, and as you can see now, we've rallied up there to hit those targets. Targets are obviously a lot earlier than that 127 fib, but nevertheless we held the trade through the bank holiday Friday, bank holiday Monday, up and down multiple times, was able to implement risk management due to this triple test that we've had down here, and holding it has paid off. We've now banked 82 pips.